I'm standing in front of an HDFC co-op in the Bronx. I just listed a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, and you won't believe the price. A 2-bedroom with park views from the living room, maintenance of $711 a month, heat and hot water included, blocks from the Bronx Zoo. What do you think it costs? Hold your guess. Let's go inside. Come on in. This is a 1913 pre-war building in East Tremont, the Bronx. 23 units, 2 sets of doors at the entrance. In the comm on your right, mailboxes just inside by the staircase. Now, full honesty before we climb. This is a walk-up, no elevator. Unit 11 is on the 3rd floor, and we're taking the stairs like everyone who lives here. For some of you, that's a deal breaker. For everyone else, it's part of why the price is what it is. 3rd floor, corner unit, here's apartment 11. You walk in through a long entrance hallway. Pre-war buildings give you this, a real entry, not a front door that opens into your couch, and it leads you straight into the light. This living room faces the front of the building, and the windows on your left look directly out at Mapes Park. Green trees, open field, sky. That's your everyday view. In this city, at any price, a living room that looks at a park is rare. The main bedroom has 3 windows. 3. It's the brightest room in the apartment. The bathroom has its own window, so does the kitchen, natural light and real ventilation in the 2 rooms that need it most. That's pre-war design doing its job. And here's the layout best surprise. The 2nd room sits off the kitchen, tucked away from everything else, totally private. Guest room, home office, workout room, a private corner of the apartment. Alright, you've seen the apartment. Time for the number. This 2-bedroom, 1-bath, 3rd floor corner unit with park views is listed at $149,000. $149,000 in New York City. The median Bronx co-op sells for around $250,000, and the monthly cost matches the price. Maintenance is $711 a month, and that includes heat and water. A 2-bedroom rental in this area runs around $2,500. Put those side by side. That gap every single month is the story of this listing. How is this possible? It's an HDFC co-op, part of the city program that keeps ownership affordable. That comes with specific purchase requirements for this building. So text me first and I'll tell you whether it's a fit. Now stay with me because what's outside these windows might be the best part. Step outside and Mapes Park is directly across the street. The city spent over $11 million rebuilding it. New turf field, playground, outdoor fitness equipment, lights in the evening, and remember, this is the view from the living room windows. And did I mention there's a swimming pool too? 1 block over is Southern Boulevard, your main street. Shopping, groceries, restaurants, everything a daily routine needs, on foot. And now the neighbor, the Bronx Zoo. The Southern Boulevard gate is about a 4-block walk, 3 minutes if you drive. That's 265 acres of park and wildlife as your weekend backyard. For getting around, you're about 15 minutes on foot from the 2 and 5 trains at West Farms Square. Both are express lines, and between them, you get both sides of Manhattan from one station. The 2 runs down the west side, Times Square, Penn Station, then on into Brooklyn all the way to Flatbush Avenue. The 5 runs down the east side, Grand Central, Union Square, down to Bowling Green in Lower Manhattan. Heading uptown, both lines take you deeper into the Bronx. The 2 up White Plains Road to Wakefield, the 5 out to Eastchester, Dyer Avenue. And from the same corner, the Q44 bus runs straight to Flushing and Jamaica in Queens. One more thing, because I checked it out in person, 5 minutes by car is Arthur Avenue, the Bronx, Little Italy. I ate at Enzo's of Arthur Avenue at 2339 Arthur Avenue. Good cocktails and pasta worth the trip on its own. The retail market, the bakeries, the butchers, coffee on the sidewalk. A genuinely fun street for brunch, dinner, or a slow Sunday. Quick recap so you have everything. 2-bedroom, 1 bath, HDFC Co-op at 785 East 181st Street, Unit 11. Listed at $149,000. Maintenance $711 with heat and water included. Corner unit, park views, walk-up building, and purchase requirements apply. So text me first. The number is on your screen, 347-612-2964, or book a time through the link in the description. Thanks for watching. I'm Claudia Louie, and you can call me or text me at 347-612-2964, or for a one-on-one consultation, click on my link, claudialouie.com. See you in the next video.